Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, so we went and we check and check. There we got another one hook. Okay, so this one here is at a great this side here. Okay, so on the back is impossible. Also this one's a gray. Okay, so we're gonna get just some more computers, and it's now good working. So so we use these two boxes here, then we have three more boxes there to use till we get more computers. And for that one there, of course, we're gonna get that carpenter works down there, because we tried this end here. It's not really stable. This turn out and it's not saving well. Okay, so you need something there on the back. That's when we will do. So this side is okay. We suggest another solutions and 80 feet. That one there we suggest also 80 feet, and that is all good to go. Otherwise, that's just me. Why Hassan does it on.